Starting on the other tank here. I don't know if you can see that. That one's kind of shallow. I'll try to glue pull that. That'll save some time. That's too deep. That won't come out that way. And there's one right there. So we're gonna go ahead and start that. The goal on all this was to try to save as many decals as I can, but this is all up in these, so I'm gonna have to mess with those. Got all the spots fixed on this. I don't have this striping. I have this. So at least after I get it primed, I have this I can still measure off of. Get it primed and start the paint process on it. What I did was masked off the black to the silver stripe, and then I cleared the whole thing. Then I flipped it around and I masked off the red to the white stripe. Then I cleared the whole thing, leaving the stripes exposed so I could measure them off and spray the stripes individually. Gonna clear it, then we'll sand it back down and we'll put the decals on and we'll mask off the stripes. Put another coat on too. Tank done. Got all those dents fixed that were on it. Here's some more of the GSXR parts. Most of these, they were all flaking around here. I just sanded them down and just did a little airbrush fix on it. All these are the original decals. I masked these off and painted these. Did that on all of them.